In this video, you will learn how you can use the lower function in Google Sheets. So sometimes, and especially if you're making these kind of spreadsheets or Google Sheets for your customers or for your users, you want to control the type of input. Imagine you have a database and you have all those emails. Of course, an email, for example, test@email.com. That's nice, because we all know emails are with small letters, and you want to avoid that people type in test@email.com, right? So this looks nice, or this looks not necessary. It should be all small. So you want to control the way people insert the data, or at least they can insert anything they want, but you want to convert that data into clean data. So we call that dirty and clean. And it's not really dirty, but meaning of dirty means that it's not really optimized for using it. However, it just doesn't look so professional if you would send this to any customer or to your company or to your manager from, look, this is the list. So you want to control that design. So with the lower function, you can start to use that. With the lower, what you do is very simple. Is basically it will translate any text and will make it all small text. As you can see here, enter, nothing happens. And if I would type in here TE, you can see now it starts to clean up a bit the layout. And this is really useful because now you can clean up anything you want. Hello, how are you, for example. So as you can see, it will start to clean up everything. And this is how you can use the lower function to clean up your data before you use it or send it to someone else.